we continue back to draw cone highlighter. Now we go to new document, select part, press OK. So I still want to sketch on front plane. Select front plane, select sketch, select rectangular as construction line again for construction. So this one just same as body. 26.9 enter. This one is 16.7 enter. Okay. So this one, after that we select front plane, sketch, center line again. Okay. Now we take line like this. Make sure this line is the midpoint. In the midpoint for this. Okay, midpoint. This one also same. Midpoint. So select R like that. Okay. Make sure this point coincident with this line. Okay. This curve also coincident with this point. So this R is 10. R 10. Oh, become like that. What happened? I don't know. So become like this, you need to delete this dimension first. Unpick smart dimension, we just move like this. Like that. So we select against the dimension. So this one R10. Okay. Select R again. Sorry, again. R again. Yeah. This R and this point must be coincident again. So become the profile already. So this one we extrude by 1.5 mm. 1.5 mm. Okay. After that, this line we can hide already. So we do some fillet over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is fillet? Why they don't show it? Because the radius is too big. So I easily can say it failed. So what you can do, just reduce this to 5. Okay. Now we sketch. Remember, this one is front, this one is the back. Now we settle down for at the back first. So we click at the back plane, click sketch. So we offset this profile right here. Now I'm gonna do convert entities, become like that. So I offset these entities by 0.9. Viewers, ensure base geometry, select OK, and extrude boss by 3 mm. Okay. So now at the back is set up, we do at front. So select front base surface, select sketch, front view. This one I want the original of this profile. Original of this profile is at sketch 2. Sketch 2, select sketch 2, select cover entities. So we got this profile already. Now this profile I want to offset by 1.5 and reverse. So which means inside. Okay. 1.5 reverse. So I gonna do extrude boss by 1 mm. Okay. So this one I gonna do fillet by 4 mm. 5 mm too big, so I just do 4 mm. This fillet. Oh, sorry, not that one. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now we see from top is like this lah. This here at the back, here is at the front. So front like this. So I gonna do one more plank. So to do one more plane, new plane at front view, at this front, so I gonna sketch on top plane. Top plane, sketch, select center line, this line, and this line is 15.5. So the new plane, it will be at this point. Okay. So now I select reference geometry, select plane, select this line for first reference, and select this dot for second reference, vertex. You can call vertex. Okay. So at this plane, we sketch on circle. This circle gonna be 8.3. 8.3. Okay. So this plane one, I'm gonna hide. Click this plane, click hide. So no more already. Now we gonna do some profile to join from this solid into this round. So first I gonna sketch at top plane, because this profile we gonna sit at here. Select top plane, select sketch, select the arc. This R1, this R2. So now this arc is not fixed to this line or this line yet. So we gonna select this point, this vertex for this arc, hold shift and select this line. Select pierce. One, do also same at here, pierce. Here, this one also same. Pierce. Here also same. Pierce. Okay. We see from top. Now become like this, but free can move. I gonna lock this one. Make it tangent to this straight line. This line must be vertical. So this one tangent. This one tangent. I just equal these two lines. Equal. Settle for this part. So now I sketch on right plane for the right profile. Also same. 1, 2. Select this vertex. Hold shift. Select this line. Pierce. This one. This one. Pierce. This one. This one. Pierce. This one. And oh, sorry, wrongly set. This one. This wrong again. This one and this one. Pierce. Okay. After that, select center line to have cut line. This one tangent. This one equal. Okay. So now we gonna do a solid part over here. Now you see nothing over here, only we got line. So we gonna turn this into solid. So select this surface, select sketch, convert entity, press OK. So this sketch, straight away we don't click anywhere, straight away we click at lofted boss. So it automatically select that profile we just sketch on this surface, right? No, this surface no. Just sketch. Okay, this sketch for this part and select this circle. Now like that. We don't want like that. That's why we do the profile like this. See? All is straight. Now we select the guide curve. 1. Okay. We have 4 guide curve. 2. This one. 2. 3. 4. As you can see, it's become solid already. Press OK. So if you want to see how the curve in this area, just go to evaluate, select curvature. See? Here got curve. Small r. Here is small r compared to this side. So after that, we select this surface, sketch one circle. This circle gonna be 8, and we extrude boss by 5.5. Okay. After that, we gonna do shell. Okay, this time the shell is 1 mm. So first to remove this surface and this surface. See, now it's hollow. Front hollow, back also hollow. After that, but we have different ID for this hole. So I gonna make solid back this area from here to here. Gonna make solid. So what I gonna do is select here, select sketch, select circle, like that. A bit extra, a bit, maybe. Cannot. Yes, can. So this circle 7.5. So we extrude boss up to surface. We select up to surface because until here only. Select. Okay, now become solid already. So this surface, we gonna do the profile, the ID, because this ID we only need 5 mm. So what I gonna do, I change the orientation to right plane. So now I want to sketch at the right plane. Sketch this one. So the profile at inside is like this. Should be like this. This is the center. Okay, center. Okay. So dimension this one to this point is 1 mm, and this length is 1.5. And here, this whole ID internal diameter or hole is 2.5 per side, which means total is 5 mm. Enter 5 mm. So we press the section view. We see where it's gonna go to cut until here. It is enough already. So we select feature, select revolve cut, and they ask the axis for revolution. We select this line, okay, become like that. If we select this line, what happens? Like this. We don't want like this. We want like this. Select OK. Then after that, settle this one. We sketch over here. Sketch this one. We press convert entities. This one is 0.5. We see 0.5. Alright, and we increase by 11. Settle this one. Inside settle, back settle. Now in this place, left. Okay. Because this gonna do act like a cat hook. So we gonna draw one hook, counter hook over here. Small counter hook only. So we take right plane, sketch, select R, okay, like that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we select one center line. This line for revolve line, axis line. this one, this line, and this part, we make it tangent. Easier for us to do dimensioning. So now dimension here to here. Wow, here to here is only 0.1. 0.1. So here to here is 0.7. So this counter hook is 0.8. 0.8. This one I think clash already. Oh, not yet. Okay, like that. So now we can revolve this profile. Select feature, select revolve boss. Exit for revolution here. Select OK. Become like that. Now we select the chamfer. Here must have the chamfer. So we go to dimension to dimension. Then we select this one as symmetry. This one we set as 0.5. Another one is 0.3. So item to chamfer is here. Like that. Okay. See? Now we done already. For cone of highlight,